just gonna tickle, alright? Count to 3. Well, oh, ready? You gotta stay still. 1, 2, 3. Alright, just, I'll keep his hand right there. Well, oh, stay still, alright, buddy? Well, 2 more seconds, alright? 1, 2. Perfect, alright. What? If we're going to our yard. Ready to go on the plane now, Sam? You're going on the plane again, okay? Ready? Ready? No, we're waiting on Daddy and Tommy. Come, look out for them. Tell me if you see them coming. When airport security make you have to take off everything. Well, and put on back the shoes. Ready? You're going down. Wee. That me that said to you, because by the time I reached, they said I'm traveling with toddler and stroller. So that's why I tell Chris to tell me for come.
How was the party last night?
I level, yeah? I level A, B, and C. What you saying? No, that don't do that. What you doing? What is this? What is this? Someone. Sam. That's how you must say it?
On the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. Never inflate your vest inside the aircraft. Thanks for our partnership with Amazon. Once connected, you can sign into your Amazon Prime account, start a free trial to stream movies, TV shows, and music, and earn True Blue points where you shop as a True Blue member while in flight. Thank you for joining us today. Sit back and relax and enjoy the flight. pretzels, and a cinnamon seed bar. Free beverages include 4-bottle water and a limited selection of Pepsi.
Tired. Tired.
JetBlue welcomes you to Kingston. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and carrying items put away until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. We'll let you know momentarily which carousel your checked bags can be claimed at, and if you ever receive this as claim at gate, you may pick up these items outside the front boarding door. If you need any assistance getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated until after we've arrived at the gate so we better assist you. Please for more information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check airport monitors or download their free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about our True Blue loyalty program, where you can earn points.
Ready?
My reality come with me and smart. I don't want to reach back to reality.
We know.
Eh?
Oh, because all of us have work.
No, in back to reality.
So I must sleep through everything. Tired. The struggle.
Oh, you heard that, right?
The stroller. Okay. Oh. Yeah, try. Get changed. Tired. No, but I really remember we having this long stretch of walk. Them change the top, yes. Tommy, was this walk always so long? No man, this new.
No, man.
From the last time we traveled years ago, I don't remember this.
Come off of that gate, yeah? If I come off on the side,
I don't even remember.
I know say that side, yeah.
I don't remember I do this a long walk yet.
They just come down.
No, sir, I don't normally do a long walk. This extra long, man. Ashley, go to the bathroom. No, because remember we had to take the stroller. We had to get the stroller because when we stop at the gate, you say they're up at the front. We don't actually walk past it. So. Outside. Whee! No, him not at the typing part, man. Him take long for type. And then guess what? Because him do it for both of us. Him kind of, yeah, do it for both of us. Wait, oh, me not make no call, eh? Where you say?
Alright guys, so we reach back a yard.
That's it?
When me get some time, me tell you how it should go.
So what, we are closing here now?
So I'm wait for Samuel, but
You done?
Sam.
You closing it?
Sam.
Yeah.
You record?
Yeah, I've been recording.
Okay, let me see. What else more I'm telling us? I don't know my regular lines, I'm tired already. I'm still tired. I'm going to enjoy myself. I'm going to come back here. Actually, I'm going to go well for now.
Oh, I'm not even make no call for say when mommy reach. Hey. Bye guys. Yeah.
Alright guys, so our ride is here. So we are heading on now.